Welcome to BizEdge mobile app. In this video, I'll show you how to make deductions and add allowances on BizEdge Payroll. The Payroll app helps to calculate your employee salaries and run payroll for you with ease. To do this, from the payroll page, click on the Prepare Payroll button. Confirm and review your employees. Select an employee and you can see various salary sections for the employee. Now you can choose to make the necessary deductions and payments you'd like to make. Click on the Save Changes button and your changes have been saved. Click on the Next button to submit and run payroll. Now you can proceed to make deductions and add allowances on BizEdge Payroll while running payroll.